Breaking news! Grabe talaga ang mga galawan ni PBBM. Hindi masyadong masalita pero grabe naman ang mga resulta. Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, trending matapos ang nakakagimbal na desisyon na tiyak na ikakatuwa ng lahat ng Pilipino. Yes mga kababayan, lahat matutuwa dito, pati mga kontrapartido. Dito mo talaga makikita kung gaano nakakakilabot ang mga decision makings ni PBBM mga kababayan. Dahil gagawin ang lahat para lang makuha ang mga proyektong talaga namang mapapakinabangan ng bawat mamamayang Pilipino. At eto pa matindi mga kababayan, dahil 30 bilyong pisong proyekto lang naman ang halaga ng ating pinag-uusapan. Grabe, isa na ata ito sa mga iiwanang legasiya ni PBBM bilang Pangulo ng Bansang Pilipinas. Kaya naman mga kababayan, wag na natin itong patagalin pa. Samahan niyo ako at sabay-sabay nating alamin ang maiinit na balita sa araw na ito. Breaking news! Good news! Tinanggap ng Synergy Grid and Development Philippines Incorporated ang isang may bisang alok mula sa administrasyon ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa pamamagitan ng state-run Maharlika Investment Corporation para sa 20% stake para makakuha ng foothold ng National Grid Corporation of the Philippines o ang NGCP. Sinaksihan ni Pangulong Marcos ang paglagda ng binding term sheet sa pagitan ng Synergy Grid and Development Philippines Incorporated at ang Maharlika Investment Corporation sa Palasyo ng Malacanang kahapon, January 27, 2025. Ang Maharlika Investment Corporation na inatasan ng pamahalaan sa Sovereign Wealth Fund ng Pilipinas ay magsusubscribe sa mga preferred shares na inaalok ng Synergy Grid and Development Philippines. Synergy Grid and Development Philippines ay may hawak na 40.2% epektibong interes sa pagmamay-ari ng NGCP, ang power grid operator ng bansa. Sinabi ni Consing na ang deal ay magbibigay sa Maharlika Investment Corporation ng 2 board seat para sa Synergy Grid and Development Philippines at ang NGCP. Maiden investment ay kumakatawan sa isang mahalagang pagkakataon para sa gobyerno na mabawi ang mas malaking impluwensya sa kritikal na infrastruktura ng kapangyarihan ng bansa upang matiyak na ang bawat Pilipino ay may access sa inaasahan at abot-kayang kapangyarihan. Ang malaking balitang ito ay pinost din mismo ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa kanyang official page at sinabing ito ay ang kauna-unahang pagkakataon mula sa NGCP na magkaroon ng boses ang taong bayan sa mga mahalagang desisyon nito. Sinisiguro din aniya ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at ng kanyang administrasyon na sa pamamagitan ng Maharlika Investment Corporation ay ang malaking impluwensya ng gobyerno dito upang mapatatag ang supply ng kuryente at mapanatili ang makatarungang presyo nito para sa bawat mamamayang Pilipino. Natandaang sinaksihan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. noong nakaraang taon ang pagpirma sa connection agreement sa pagitan ng NGCP at ng San Ignacio Energy Resources Development Corporation para sa Isabela Ground-Mounted Solar Project. Napuhunan na 18 bilyong piso, ang Isabela Ground-Mounted Solar Project ay maaring makabuo ng humigit kumulang 440 gigawatts-hour na malinis na enerhiya bawat taon, na sapat na para sa halos 2 milyong kabahayan. Bilang karagdagan, ang yugto sa pagpapatayo nito ay lilikha ng mga trabaho para sa humigit kumulang 4,000 manggagawa, pagpapalakas sa lokal na ekonomiya at pagpapabuti sa buhay ng maraming pamilya. Ang proyekto ay nakikita rin upang palakasin ang buong pambansang grid at ilapit ang Pilipinas sa isang nababanat at nababagong enerhiya secure na hinahanap. Mula January 2009, ang NGCP ay gumamit ng buong otoridad sa pamamahala at pagpapatakbo ng Nationwide Transmission System, isang kritikal na pampublikong utility, sa ilalim ng prangkisa na ipinagkaloob ng Kongreso ng bansa. Noong 2007, pagkatapos ng public bidding, pinagkalooban ang NGCP ng 25 years connection para patakbuhin ang mga transmission system na may posibilidad na mag-renew ng karagdagang 25 years additional. Ang NGCP ay nagpapatakbo ng power grid ng bansa, habang ang gobyerno ng Pilipinas ay nagmamay-ari naman ng transmission assets sa pamamagitan ng National Transmission Corporation.
Today we take another very important step towards a future where sustainable energy powers our homes, drives our growth, and improves the quality of life for all Filipinos. It is with immense pride that I join you for the signing of the connection agreement between NGCP and the San Ignacio Energy Resources Development Corporation for this project, the Isabela Ground-Mounted Solar Project. This project is not only about transforming the energy landscape in Isabela. It is about strengthening our entire national grid, moving us closer to a resilient and renewable energy secure future. With an investment of 18 billion pesos, we are looking at the generation of about 440 megawatts of clean energy. And that amounts to, as we saw in the video, that amounts to 700 gigawatt hours per annum, which is a very significant amount. The construction phase will create jobs for 4,000 workers, boosting our local economy and improving the lives of many families. So I extend my heartfelt appreciation and congratulations to the provincial government of Isabela, to NGCP, and SIERDC for the dedication and hard work that they have put in to bring us to this day where we are groundbreaking the project. Your hard work and commitment are truly commendable. I express my gratitude as well to the French government and Total Energies for their invaluable contribution to this undertaking. Your commitment to renewable energy development in the Philippines shows the importance of international cooperation in tackling global challenges. For this project and other similar endeavors to succeed, we need to expedite the necessary permits and ensure full regulatory compliance. That is why our government has developed the Energy Virtual One-Stop Shop, or EVOS. This platform simplifies the permitting process, making it quicker and more efficient so projects like this can be completed on time. I urge the NGCP to work closely with government to ensure our energy infrastructure remains secure, reliable, and capable of meeting our growing demands. This collaboration that we have formalized today is key to achieving our renewable energy goals and to ensure a stable power supply for all Filipinos, not just for today, but for the future. Having more initiatives like this project will be a catalyst for our country's positive transformation. For one, it will pave the way for a brighter future for all Filipinos by providing more clean energy to light our homes, to invigorate our schools, power our businesses, and fuel our industries. It will also help us in realizing our renewable energy ambitions, which is the inevitable way forward. Indeed, renewable energy is a crucial step for a country and a world grappling against climate change. This way, we may bequeath a greener, more secure, sustainable future for our children and for generations to come. Let us continue to pursue extraordinary opportunities like this, to give ourselves and the next generations to come a fighting chance to succeed in reversing our exacerbating climate change problems. We in the Philippines have the unfortunate distinction of having been assessed as being one of the most, if not the most vulnerable countries to the effects of climate change and global warming. So with unwavering dedication and our combined efforts, we can create a future where renewable energy not only drives our progress and prosperity, but it also becomes a fundamental part of our national identity. Through this collective commitment, we will ensure that renewable energy is not just a source of power, but a light, a guide, a North Star, to show our nation's resilience, innovations, and forward-thinking spirit. Let us illuminate the path together towards a brighter tomorrow, where brilliance of sustainable energy will continue to shine as a beacon of hope for generations to come. Mabuhay ang IGMSP, mabuhay ang Isabela, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas, at maagang pagbati sa lahat ng isang maligayang araw ng kalayaan. Magandang hapon po sa inyo.